Okay, so this is my midterm for MIS585. What I'm going to do is just kind of walk you through the sitemap, the personas, and the branding, and then I'll actually go through the flow. So in case you haven't used Figma before, the flows are here. And what you can do through options is you can do fit to screen. And then you can see everything. But if you're going to read it, it would be easier this way. So this is the original sitemap, which I pulled out from the documents in the rubric. And this is my revised. So if we zoom out, you'll see, and you'll have to zoom in, but essentially I pulled out the main areas. So the featured categories, the best sellers, the featured products, and the new arrivals. These are kind of your main things that they're going to look at, and then they can drill down. Everything else I kind of either put in the menu bar, which you'll see up here, or in the footer. So a lot of things, miscellaneous things people look for are in the footer, and we can put that in there. And then if you zoom in, we can see some of my suggestions. So number one, it seemed like you had a duplicate of product and categories. So I just kind of pulled it out, and you can drill down as needed. Again, best sells featured products, they can be seen from the first page and drop down and drilled in deeper, but this allows us to figure out which one through analytics is most important, but they're also still available. I would suggest engaging a professional copywriter to help us figure out proper namings for some of these. And then kind of look at it every 3 to 6 months, you might want to upgrade. Again, right now, so again, these things here, expected behavior, a lot of stuff I moved into kind of expected behavior category where people would look to expect these. So search, my account, login card, they want to get these on the home page. Expected behavior is also stuff that you find bucketed in the footer. Like nobody comes to read your TOCs, privacy, warranty, FAQs. I mean, they might, but they'll know to look in the footer kind of thing. And then also too, for addresses, you had mailing addresses. And so I pulled that out, and it's just a toggle at mailing that says use the same address for shipping. Again, that's an expected behavior. So you can go through this in detail. Now we'll look at the personas. So I picked Gen Z and millennials. So my company is an electronic company, and I picked these two target areas just to keep it kind of similar. And these will have a lot of the same buying power, but different needs and different monies kind of thing. So this is kind of who we're geared at. They want modern, they want something different than their parents. Design elements, I started with Materials.io. It's one of these standard sort of major UI kits out there. It allows developers to have like a 60% head start, and you can build from there. I use components a lot. So this component has 6 variations. You can change those, and then the cards can be changed to different colors. And this allows me of a huge variety of call out areas that I can use. The other thing is the palette. I picked colors that kind of felt cool and almost metallic to match the electronics. And then of course the dark primary blue is a strong business color. Again, we've got components for my drop downs. It makes it easier. It helps me to change things if I need to. And the caveat is any design system needs, 6 to 18 months to fully blow out. And the elements get designed once the design system is launched, and designers feed things back in for the system as design requirements are realized through other projects. So now we're going to just go into the flows. So the basic things for the prototype is this will get you home. The footer is only on the home page. These buttons here, only this one works. So you can drill down by going here for laptops, laptop ABC, and then your actual product. On your product page, you'll know you're on your product page here. And from your product page, you'll be able to view the cart. So you can go here to view your cart, Also, from every page, you can go through your cart this way. So you can go here, proceed to checkout, and place your order. So we'll go back to the home. The other thing from the menu is your search widget. So searching is something that's expected on every page. So I put it on every page. User profile. I've created a page just to bucket everything in. This way, it's clean, it's out of the way. You don't have all these extra things. And, you know, if the business wants to go crazy adding things, they can bucket it all in this area. So that's essentially it. Very simple, very clean. My photography is built on kind of a modern, realistic look. If you'll see, I don't know. Yeah, just trying keeping it a more modern look. And once you get to the actual products, then we would have the actual look of the products. So that's about it. And I will let you look at it in more detail.